guys, welcome back to my channel for another Stitch Fix unboxing. This right here is going to be my last fix until I birth these twins, because honestly I'm just so big at this point. I want to have time to get back to normal. We're probably having them next month, most likely next month, otherwise February 1st is the latest we'll have them. And there's just no point really in getting one in January because I'm just going to be massive. So I'm probably going to skip next month for sure, and maybe February, just depending on how I'm feeling. So this is my December box, and it's definitely a blind box for me. It is a blind box because once again I have forgotten to request my stylist. I haven't put anything in the comment box, so I have no clue what's in here. Didn't cheat. So yeah, it's gonna be a surprise for me. All of it, whoever styled it, whatever they put in here, I have no idea. Luckily they have a spot for you to put your due date in, so the person styling me should know that I am pregnant, and very heavily pregnant at that. So yeah, I already cut the top of the box. So yeah, let's just get to unboxing. Okay, I'm gonna do this video a little bit different. I'm going to unbox and then show you the try on haul, either during me talking about each item or after the fact. We'll see what I end up deciding to do. Have all my items in here, so let's get a peek. First of all, I love this color of yellow, and it looks like there's some mauve, not mauve, what am I saying, burgundy, and then very dark green and black stripe, something. And then a gray and a black something. So let's start with the one item that I don't really like the print of, and we'll see what it ends up being. Okay, yeah, I don't like this print at all. This is the maternity shirt, I'm telling you right now. Love Appella maternity. Yeah, the color of this is not for me. It's like green and black stripe. I love the color olive. I don't like it with black. And the shoulder has this like lace on it, and that's not going to work for me in the winter time. And I don't like the sleeves either. But it does have the mesh side right there for those who are pregnant. This is definitely a fail for me. Even if it was like my favorite color, I probably still wouldn't like it. So I'm interested to see how I feel about this on me, because I just feel like for sure I'm not gonna like that. This is a Market and Spruce maternity top, and this is my style, you guys. I know it's so plain, but I just can't help myself. It's just a plain light heather gray, long enough for leggings, it looks like, maternity top. And this is definitely what I'm going to want to be in towards the end of my pregnancy, like where I'm at now, and when I'm postpartum, like trying to get my mediocre body back. So I think I'm gonna like that a lot. Okay, so this looks like a dress, which is interesting because I don't think I've been sent any maternity dresses in like the last part of my pregnancy. So this has a lace top, and it's a lot more flattering than that last lace top because it goes throughout the sleeves as well. And yeah, it's long. I really like the cinching. The only issue is I live in Iowa. It's cold. It is really cold here. I would have loved having this dress in like the summertime or even like early fall. So even if I like this dress, I probably won't be able to keep it anyway because it wouldn't make sense since my pregnancy is like over next month. Okay, and this is another, is this a maternity top? Yes, this is a maternity blouse, and it's actually a really nice looking one if I say so myself. The detail on the front right there looks really nice. I'm not a huge fan of sleeves like this up. I would have loved this when I was actually working in the office full time. Now I work from home full time, but this would be really nice to like wear to meetings and stuff. But again, I don't really need it because it's maternity. Now I'm kind of just like, do I invest in more maternity? Do I not? Because I'm sure I'll still need stuff in postpartum. But a nice shirt like this, I'm not going to be going into the office any while I'm still pregnant. So now this I'm excited about. I can tell you right now I'm probably gonna keep it because I love the color and it's a cardigan. I love, love, love cardigans. It's long, it'll cover my bottom. It has pockets. And this is the Staccato 2-pocket cardigan in mustard. I love this, you guys. It has the sleeves that are cinched or whatever. Someone corrected me one time and said it's called something else, so you know what I'm talking about. And it has the same kind of cinching or whatever at the top of the pockets in the bottom. And I love yellow, you guys. It's not my best color, but I like the color. So yeah, I'm gonna probably do the try on haul now and just do some try on with some music or something to get this video going pretty quick. And then we'll return and talk about how much it costs. Did like okay, nothing spectacular or anything crazy. I'm just gonna let you guys know who styled me. It's Cassandra, and I feel like she was the one that styled the last one when I didn't specify who I wanted. But okay, really quick, this cardigan that I love so much, $44, probably gonna go in my closet. This red Daniel Rain top, the kind of dark berry one, is $68. Not gonna keep it. If I was like maybe summertime when I was like just getting pregnant and going in the office a lot, I probably would keep it because I know that Daniel Rain's a really, really good quality designer and they have really good clothes, but not gonna keep it. The black dress, definitely not gonna keep it. It is $64. And this gray t-shirt that I love so much, $38, probably gonna go in my closet. And then this shirt, I just don't, it's like a hideous mix of colors, like dark green and black. I just don't like that together. Unless you're wearing like an olive top and black bottoms, but striping it together, I just don't like. It's $54. I probably wouldn't even pay like $25, honestly. The style is just not mine. If I bought this entire box, it would be $200 even. I'm not buying the whole box. And I do have a style pass, so I don't get credit off every box because I paid $50 for a style pass for a year or whatever it was. So with the knit top is $38 and the cardigan is $44. I'm just stalking my neighbor. It would be $82, I think. I'm just doing math in my head, or I'll put the amount up here. 38 plus 44, I think, is 82, but I'm not sure. So yeah, that's gonna be all for this video, you guys. Again, I'm gonna miss my little Stitch Fix family because I know some of you guys come here only for my Stitch Fix videos. And yeah, so I am gonna be on a hiatus for just a little bit, but that's okay. We're having 2 precious babies come in the world here soon. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.